Paul again. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to remove your rear tie-down hooks. Got the car in the ramp, so it's a lot easier to see, but you can do this from the drive. The one that all you need to do to remove these brackets is you've got 4 bolts. So this one and this one is a 12mm, and then you've got this one here, and then one up there as well, right at the top there, and those two are 14s. All you do is remove both of those, all 4 of those, and the bracket will just drop out. Like I've done on the other side here, if you could just about see there, leaving 2 studs and 2 holes. If you want to put the bolts back on, it'd probably be a good idea, so keep the threads if you ever want it back. Thanks for watching, keep an eye out for more videos from us soon. Cheers!